Here is a comprehensive breakdown covering every key detail about AI on the dark web, including tools, forums, techniques, trends, and defense. 1. Overview: how AI is used on the dark web. AI is used to enhance or automate criminal activities. The dark web provides anonymity and access to a global black market where AI tools are sold or traded. Criminals use AI to improve scams, cyber attacks, and deepfakes. AI is integrated into malware, phishing, and surveillance systems. Matter 2. Categories of AI misuse. Deepfakes. What it is: AI-generated fake videos, images, or voices that look and sound real. Dark web use cases. Fake pornographic videos for revenge extortion, impersonating politicians or celebrities for misinformation. Business scams, impersonating CEOs in video voice calls. Tools sold. Tool name description: Deep Face Lab Pro, premium tool for high-quality face swaps. Fast deepfake apps packaged with anonymizers. FaceTime custom-trained models using target faces. Respeecher iSpeech clones, used to clone voices for scam calls. DF Kit, a full suite of video, audio, and ID manipulation tools. AI-driven hacking. What it is: use of AI to automate or enhance hacking tactics. Techniques. 1. Smart phishing. AI writes convincing emails based on public data. 2. Voice cloning, vishing. AI mimics voices to scam through calls. 3. Malware evolution. AI helps malware learn to evade detection. 4. Bot reconnaissance. AI bots gather target data across platforms. 5. Adaptive brute force. AI predicts passwords based on habits. Notable AI malware and tools. Tool, purpose: Worm GPT. GPT clone for malicious purposes. Phishing, fraud. More aggressive GPT variant used for malware code. Auto-recon bots. AI bots scan and build target profiles. Smart ransomware kits. Choose target's files for maximum damage. Dark BERT, a transformer model trained on dark web data. 3. Forums and marketplaces on the dark web. Platform description: Dread, Reddit-like forum with AI hacking discussions. Ramp, Russian-speaking forum for advanced AI scams. World Market, marketplace offering deepfake kits and phishing tools. Genesis Market, now down, sold stolen identities and AI-crafted logins. Imperia, smaller market with growing AI malware listings. Access method via Tor browser. Often requires invites, PGP verification, and cryptocurrencies like Monero. Hasher 4, services for sale. Category: services offered. Short AI voice cloning. Clone anyone's voice using short samples. Custom deepfake creation. Buyers provide target info. Get fake content. Phishing kits. AI written email templates. Fake login pages. Fake IDs and documents, generated with AI image tools. Scam botnets. AI-controlled social media bots. Ransomware as a service, RAS. AI tools for non-coders to launch attacks. 5. Trends and innovations. Trend description: multilingual AI phishing. GPT clones used for global scams. AI-driven targeting. Bots personalize scams using scraped info. Zero-day exploit generation. AI scans open source code for vulnerabilities. Encrypted AI malware. AI helps encrypt payloads to bypass antivirus. Social media manipulation. AI bots inflate views, followers, and comments. 6. Defensive measures and AI countermeasures. A. Deepfake detection tools. Microsoft Video Authenticator detects deepfake artifacts. Deepware Scanner, online service to check media. Reality Defender, browser extension for detecting manipulated content. B. Anti-AI phishing systems. Google and Microsoft AI filters use natural language models to flag scam emails. Darktrace and VadeSecure, cybersecurity firms using AI to fight AI threats. C. Voice print and biometrics. Biometric voice ID blocks voice spoofing if system detects cloned speech. Multi-factor authentication defends against AI phishing and brute force. D. Education and awareness. Simulations and phishing tests to train staff, encouraging scrutiny of unexpected messages even from familiar voices or faces. 7. Law enforcement and ethical AI. Interpol, Europol, FBI use AI tools to scan forums and detect misuse. Project Chimera, Interpol-led initiative to detect AI-generated threats. Ethical AI research, ongoing efforts to watermark or trace AI-generated content. If you'd like, follow for more real hacking demos and how to protect yourself.